well, this is what happens to you when you don't sleep for days.
What is driving me really crazy is my applications. I'm trying to do my masters either in America or Canada. All Punjabis do that. So what is happening is, when I was applying for my colleges, I had to go through all the papers, my college, my school, and then I was just going through all the medals and trophies, a lot of groups from schools on Facebook. And then this all reminded me of those stupid days that I had spent in my school. Some really cute things is what I want to share in this video. The first thing that I really remember from school is the type of punishments, our teachers used to give. The maximum punishment that he'll give is, write this thing 10 times on your paper, or else fingers on your lips, stand up on your bench, face the wall and stand. I mean, these are crazy punishments. You remember the sex education classes that we ever had? Oh my god, we having a sex class. Being a backbencher was such a cool thing, you remember? Used to have that 100 rupee wala game which had a brick game. Tuck, 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 tuck. The teacher is in a history class and all you would do is the brick game. Tiffin borrowing. You cannot forget the book cricket that you used to play. And the dictation test. Remember, ma'am used to ask us to flip your books and then check. Okay, my benchmate is probably my very good friend and that's why I'm on the bench with her. But जिस दिन dictation test आता था, I would just not let her score more than me. And then the ख्याली सपने, मैं बड़ी होके डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर बनूंगी. And as you grow, it just moves away from your head, isn't it? You remember inter-school competitions? बाजू वाले स्कूल के साथ पंगा लेने के लिए would always be ready. Tiffin चोर, अपना टिफिन खा के दूसरों का भी खाना. I remember my principal sir giving me 17th time last warning. Remember the school prayer? हम A section वाले हैं और B section वालों के साथ हमारा पंगा है. A section वाले जन गण मन इतनी जोर से गाएंगे कि B वाले ये लोग पागल हो गए. And remember the mass PT classes? All the boys would stand in such a way कि लड़की कब bend करे and her skirt. You remember the school diary that will have the logo of your school? You remember school magazine? You would just drive yourself crazy to put your article with your name over there. Do you remember the geometry box? Even though you had one last summer, you would definitely buy one this one. Just because I want to buy one. Camlin and Natraj, your best friends. And I also remember the list of homework that you used to get before your 45 days of summer. Remember the way your ma'am used to make you write in your school diary, your summer homework? 1 page of handwriting every day that your teacher used to make you write. You remember this one teacher who used to be your favorite? You would thoroughly study everything possible just to impress that teacher. Remember the time that you used to have Teachers' Day and you had to dress up like your favorite teacher? The whole week you would drive your parents crazy. I want this sari, I want that suit to wear. And you would go and then act like you are such professionals in school. Annual days were really awesome in school. You would do all the dancing. You would try to be partners with the guy whom you like. And then bunking the classes, making bahana that, ma'am, I'm a participant of the annual day. You cannot stop me. And you remember that one teacher's pet that used to be? हम सबका मास बंक खराब करने वाला. और या फिर वो बच्चा जो खुद तो होमवर्क करके आएगा, उसको पता है पूरी क्लास ने होमवर्क नहीं किया, but sir, you gave us this question for homework. That fucker, still exists in my brain. He always had a chashma by default. Remember the excuses that you ever made by not submitting your project? Ma'am, I have done it. बस मैं घर पे भूल गया. Ma'am, मैंने कर दिया था. मेरी बस जल्दी आ गई थी and मैं घर पे भूल गया. You remember we did our projects in floppies. We used to submit our projects in floppies. Floppies don't exist now. How crazy you would be by exchanging Contra and Mario games with your friends? Those cassettes that you used to have. Our parents used to do this. बेटा इस क्लास में एक साल आपको एक ही बैग चलाना है. But then the bags used to be the fashion statement. जिसके पास ज़्यादा अच्छा बैग है, that guy or girl used to be what a dude in class. And I'm sure you remember this. I used to forget polishing your shoes. What you would do is pull up your socks. And done! My school shoes is ready! And remember the ground of your school? That will remind you of all the kabaddi matches, softball matches, the volleyball and especially the cricket of the boys. Oh god, we girls used to be such cheer girls, If I like a guy and he's playing cricket, his macho action, yeah, I'm gonna beat a sixer. It used to be crazy. The way our teachers used to scare us, अगर आपकी अटेंडेंस पूरी नहीं है, आई एम नॉट गोना गिव यू द एडमिट कार्ड फॉर योर एग्जाम। एंड फॉर रियल्स मुझे डर लगता था, मुझे सच्ची में डर लगता था। रिमेंबर स्कूल पिकनिक्स, द वे यू वुड ड्राइव योर पेरेंट्स क्रेजी, मुझे लेस का पैकेट चाहिए, मुझे कुरकुरे का पैकेट चाहिए, आई वांट द कोक because I want to be like really cool by having all this and sharing with my friends. Remember the way you were divided into houses and then you would do your best to perform in every house. I think yellow, blue, red, green used to be the default colors, you know, that our school was divided into. And then whenever there is a competition, you would just go mad. Remember the time you would want to run fast during the sports day just to impress the boy or the girl that you wanted to impress? Remember the couple who just fairly likes each other and then you know you would try your best कि वो ना मिले एक दूसरे से, and then the interaction they used to have. Can I borrow your notes? Will you wait for me after the school bus के सामने मेरा wait करना? And then I'm sure the kulfi wala or the ice gola wala man who used to always stand outside and his kulfi would never be more than 2 rupees. You remember you and me, we both were so excited that we don't have to write with pencils anymore. I'm gonna be a big girl. I'm writing with a pen now. We would get ourselves the best pens, you know. I had gel wala pen. Oh God, life was so awesome when you were in school. The biggest tension that you ever had was homework. And we've just grown up. I'm applying for my masters. My age, people are having their jobs sorted, getting married and having kids. But school days are something to be remembered. So if this video helped you remember even one memory of your school, please do like and do subscribe. So well guys, this was yet another video from Just DJ. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know which memory of school did I remind you from this video. I would just like to tell you, go back, try to get in touch with any of your school friends. Just give a call. Let them know that I remember you, my school buddy.